1. The endowment effect. The endowment effect makes people value something more highly simply because they own it. Two, the availability heuristic. The availability heuristic is a mental shortcut where judgments are based on easily recalled examples rather than thorough analysis. 3. The illusion of transparency. The illusion of transparency makes people overestimate how much others know about their mental state. 4. The spontaneous remission. The spontaneous remission refers to the unexpected and unexplained improvement or disappearance of symptoms in a medical condition without medical treatment, often attributed to psychological or psychosomatic factors.